when we partner with Automation Anywhere, all our practitioners have come to that they have an end-to-end, broad-based platform. We're not talking about an RPA tool, we're talking about an automation platform that can address a diverse range of skill sets. So whether I'm in finance function, whether I'm in an HR function, manufacturing, sales environment, when I start pushing the boundaries and our clients start asking us for machine learning, AI, cognitive, computer vision use cases, I don't have to start scratching around for technology. I know that I can integrate that and leverage what we have with a partner like Automation Anywhere, your new platforms, what you're doing in citizen development with IRI, all these things give us a broad one-stop shop to everything we need within the automation agenda. And that's so important for us to be able to go to our clients and say, regardless of the use case, we will have a technical solution to enable that. Partnering with your people across the globe, we see a natural match in both culture and deployment. So trying to get the account teams on both sides at the grassroots level really interacting is where we're really seeing these accounts come to life. I mean, I can talk at leadership level and we can have great conversations, but the real power comes in when I start seeing our account reps from Automation Anywhere working with my account leaders at the specific client environments. That's when we start seeing the benefit of this integration really, really coming to life. I mean, obviously, Automation Anywhere is a global enterprise. They got always consistently feature in the top quadrants of all the analyst reviews. And we think that's a natural match and pairing with EY, who we see ourselves to be amongst the top players in this domain. So marrying the two together just continues to entrench and advance the solutions that we can bring to our clients.
Thank you for visiting the Automation Anywhere YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button and learn how to build your own digital workforce with our automation success platform. Get your free demo today at automationanywhere.com.